Hi everyone, this is Melanie unboxing video, and we have the Hot Wheels monster truck new mini trucks, and this is part 1. So the truck we're opening today is got a dump. All right, so now I should open this boy. 3, 2, 1, go! Go big Hot Wheels!
That's fake. It's not Hot Wheels.
Yes, that is.
Okay.
Ah! Okay, don't worry about that. And whoa! Come on, you boy. Wow. Look at you. Look awesome. Okay, maybe stop, please. You look so cool. Nice. Okay, you dump? Nope. Well, that's the first episode.
That's pretty much.
Well, goodbye.